This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we have a Bosch dishwasher that isn't draining. So we opened up the door and we're going to see if there might be an obstruction in the sump area. We took off the lower spray arm, took off the triple filter, took off the screen. I'm going to feel in there where the drain impeller is, and it feels like there's nothing caught in the sump area. So I'm going to get the water out using a turkey baster. So even when the drain's working well, there will always be a little bit of water down in this area, about a cup. So I'm going to get this water out so I can get a better look to what's happening with the drain impeller. It's got to make sure it can spin freely. I'm going to remove this one Torx 15 screw here that holds the top of the drain assembly, this little panel. I'm going to grab it, pull it up, take a look at it. I'm going to reach in and see if that little drain impeller can move freely. Sometimes there'll be something caught there, like a little piece of glass or a seed, and you just want to pull out whatever that thing is and then put the top back into position. Make sure it sits down as flat as possible. If it's up a little bit, it won't drain very well. It's got to sit down so it can create the right amount of water pressure. Then we're just going to put that Torx 15 screw back in. We'll reassemble it and we'll see if that did the trick. This is just one of the things that could be the problem when your Bosch dishwasher won't drain. A lot of times the air gap is the culprit, but in this case there was something just stuck in that housing and the impeller couldn't spin. You could hear it humming, but it wouldn't spin. So we got everything back together. We'll give it a little test. Turn it off, turn it back on, and then when you close it, you can hear it's now draining. This is the air gap, and you can hear the water gurgling in there. So that did the trick. We just had something caught in that little impeller housing. And then after it drains, if you take a look in there and you pull off the filter, you should basically have about a cup of water, which is correct. You have a lot more than something still blocking the drain. But every now and then something will find its way down into that housing and just got to pull it out. So I hope this helps you, and please subscribe to our channel when you get a chance. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.